Hi everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe. Is your TCL Roku TV screen flickering while watching your favorite shows or movies? This can be super annoying, but don't worry. Today, I'll show you simple step-by-step fixes to solve the flickering problem. By the end of this video, your TCL Roku TV should be back to smooth, clear viewing. Let's get started. Step 1. Check HDMI cables and ports. One of the biggest reasons for flickering is a faulty or loose HDMI cable. First, unplug your HDMI cable from both the TV and connected device. Plug it back in firmly, making sure it's secure. If that doesn't work, try another HDMI port or replace the cable with a new one. A poor HDMI connection often causes unstable signals, leading to flickering. Step 2. Adjust picture and display settings. Sometimes your TV settings can create display glitches. Grab your remote and press Home. Go to Settings, TV Picture Settings. Adjust brightness, contrast, or switch the mode to standard or movie. Lowering brightness or disabling advanced picture features often reduces flicker and makes the screen stable again. Step 3. Update TCL Roku TV software. Outdated software may cause screen glitches. To update, press Home, Settings, System Update. Click Check Now. If an update is available, install it. Many flickering problems are fixed after updating the TV's firmware, since updates improve compatibility and fix bugs. Step 4. Restart or reset the TV. If your TV still flickers, restart it. Unplug it from the wall socket, wait 1 to 2 minutes, then plug it back in. If the problem continues, try a factory reset. Go to Home, Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset. This will erase all apps and settings, so only use this as a last option. And that's it. By checking HDMI cables, adjusting picture settings, updating the software, and restarting or resetting your TV, you can easily fix TCL Roku TV screen flickering. If your problem continues even after these steps, it may be a hardware issue, and you might need professional repair. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share to help others fix their TCL Roku TV issues.